Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, in the previous class, we have discussed about worksheet. Almost few worksheets have, few sums have finished. Now we will go for the remaining 5 in one sheet and start new more sheet. Okay. So now 16th one. An incident ray strikes a plane mirror with an angle of incidence 40. There is a mirror, and the angle of incidence is how much? This is angle of incidence, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. That is angle of incidence?
No, ma'am.
Then I said, you only said yes, no?
No, ma'am.
This is not then.
Angle of
incidence. So this is called as angle of incidence. This is how much?
60 degrees.
This one will be
30 degrees.
right. Now, what is the percentage decrease in the angle of reflection if the angle of incident ray moves to an angle of incidence of 30 degrees? Here, already one sum we have finished it. If it is decreased by 10%, the angle of reflection also decreases by 10%. So here they are decreasing that if certain amount of angle is decreased, then it has reaches the angle of incidence 30. So how much will be angle of reflection? How much will be angle of reflection?
60 degrees. Angle of reflection, ma'am.
This is what? Angle of incidence. They are saying that if it is decreased to again 30 degrees, then what will be angle of reflection?
30 degrees.
Okay. Now they are asking how much percentage is it decreased?
No, 50%.
How?
60 half is 30, no, ma'am. 30 half means? Half means 50
This is
degrees.
40. This is one more sum, no? This is 40. Okay. It has decreased to 30 degrees. That means angle of reflection is also 30 degrees. So how much decrease it has done? 10 degrees.
10.
How much percentage how we have to find out? How much percentage? Percentage of
80%, ma'am.
decrease. 10% by 40% into 100. What will be the answer?
80%, ma'am. Answer.
4 ones are
4.
2 are 8, 4, 5. That means 25% of the angle has been decreased. Clear? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Did you remember the point? If this is a mirror, if the ball is placed here, the image will be here or here?
Here, ma'am.
Display the image will be. That means this distance is A, then what will be this distance?
A.
If it is 2A,
2A.
2A. That means the distance of the image is always equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. Understood? The distance of the image and the distance of the object from the mirror is always equal. Did you see any time in your mirrors, if you are moving back, your image also will be moving back. If you are coming front, your image also moving front. Okay? So this sum is based on such type of question. Now, see. An object is moving away from the mirror. It is moving away. It is going back. Okay? It is at this place, A place. It is moving back. It is speed of 30 meters per second. Okay? After 2 seconds, the distance between the object and the image is found to be 200 meters. The distance. So from here it is moving back. With what speed?
30 meters
30
per second.
It has moved for how many seconds?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. That means how much distance it has moved? 60 meters per 1 second. Understood? So now they are asking that. Now and one more thing. That means from here to here the object has moved. So what is the distance between here and here? This is A dash. This is B dash.
120.
How?
60 equal to 120.
60 plus
60.
How do you get it exactly? It is just 60 meters. Then what is the distance from here to here?
30. Because it moves 30 meters per
They
second.
said 30 meters per second it is moving.
Yes, ma'am.
But we don't know at what place the mirror and the object is. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
From here to here you know, okay. From here to here 120, from those to here also 120. Then what is this distance?
We don't know.
We don't. So we have to find out now. Clear everyone? Now let us observe that from here to here it is x. This one will be also
X.
Clear? Understood everyone?
Yes.
So initial object is at distance x. Image object is also at distance
X.
x. Now final distance will be how much? From here to here. 60
X.
Never do into
60 plus X.
60 plus x. That means this is 60 plus x and this is
60 plus x.
total will be
120
plus X.
120
plus
2x.
2X. We can write X square also.
No, if it is into you write x square. Now one more thing. What I have given one more one. Now after movement, the distance between image and object is totally 200 meters. Yes, that means this is equal to 200 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
From here to here we don't know. Let us assume x. And they said that from here, from one place to another place, it is moving for 2 seconds. And for each second it is traveling 30 meters. For 2 seconds, 60 meters. If object is moving, then image also moves in the same way. So that is 60x here and 60 plus x here. If you add total, it is 120 plus 2x. But they have given a total is 200 meters. There is an answer now. 40 how much?
40, ma'am.
40.
40.
Very good. 2x is equal to 200 minus 120. Yes? 2x is equal to how much?
40, ma'am. Because 80 remains, and we have taken 2x. So 80
is equal to 80 by
2.
that is
40.
meters. Right? That means it is 40 meters average range. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more. Now understood how to find out image distance, object distance? Yes? One more in the same way, but logical you get the answer. This is the mirror again. He is at 10 meters away from the person is at 10 meters away from the
Mirror.
mirror. Okay. Then they are saying that an object is situated at a distance of 10 meters in front of the mirror. It is moved to a distance of 4 meters towards the mirror. That means he has moved 4 meters. Minus 4 meters. That means this is from here to here it is 6 meters. Okay. So his image will be where?
10 meters far from
10 meters. Huh?
6 meters.
This will be
10.
and this will be
6.
6 meters. 6 plus 6?
12.
12.
That is the answer. They are asking here, what is the distance between this one and this one? Final image, final object if he moves 4 meters front. Okay. Next. A person is in a room whose ceiling and 2 adjacent walls are mirrors. Ceiling means what? Up. Adjacent means
Down.
that. Sir, no. That are mirrors. How many? If he is standing there, how many images are formed? Adjacent means this one only.
Yes,
Yes. It will be 90. Person is standing here. If it is 90, how many images are formed now? 3. We already did some.
Yes,
3
ma'am.
images are formed.
Formed.
Then what about adjacent up? What about ceiling up? It will be forming 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Why? Because his image is seen in this. So 3 plus 4?
7.
So how many images are formed?
7 images.
7 images are formed when you have 3 images, 3 mirrors. Okay. Next. One more. How many images of himself can be seen? He himself can see 6 images at a time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
-1. N minus 1 hidden elements at a certain time.
If even is
Next.
2 and
All the images virtual and direct.
all, ma'am.
Whatever images are seen here, there are two mirrors, right? M1. This is M1 mirror. This is M2 mirror. So images formed will be I1, I2 will be standing here. No, one image will be here, one image will be here, one more image will be here. And 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. So all real, virtual and direct. On the ceiling it will be inverted. Remaining all are virtual. Okay. In case of plane mirrors as front and back mirrors, from form erect images while bottom and top mirrors inverted. Clear everyone? Next. Can a plane mirror ever form an inverted image? We can make an inverted image by a plane mirror. See, when an object is situated upright on a plane mirror, the reason for this is based on the fact that the light in mirror forms image at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Lower part of the image being nearest to the reflector forms image close to it, while upper part being farthest from the mirror forms image farther from the mirror, resulting in an inverted image. This is usually the case when we look at reflected image of an object from water sources. Okay. In the water sources, mainly we will be seeing the inverted images. For example, if you draw horizontal slant like this. If you are standing like this, what will you see in your image? Head is closer, upper part is close to the image, and lower part is far to the image. In the water surfaces, this will be appearing reverse, up to down, down to up. Next comes for the concept fixing sheet. On eye views, in objects O by reflection of regular, which is a vector diagram. When we are seeing how the light ray falls on your eye. This is a mirror. This is the object. Straight path only. But how it falls, you know. This is up, no. This goes like this. Okay. And one more thing. This is like this. This goes like this. Clear? This is how, remember. So first one will be like this. Second one will be like this. Remember this. Okay. Reflects first. Incident first. Incident reflects first. Next. The diagram shows a ray of light reflected by a plane surface. It is 80. What is the angle of incidence? This total is 80. What is the angle of incidence?
Incident. 40, ma'am.
40. Next again. Two men are standing in front of a plane mirror as shown. When man A looks into mirror, how far away from him will man be? This is a mirror. Okay. So he is standing in front of a mirror with 2 meters difference. Okay. Person A. One more person is also standing with the difference of 5 meters. Clear? That means from here to here he is standing 2 meters, and from this one A place to B one is standing
5 meters.
That means the image of B will be distance how much from him?
7 meters.
To the mirror 7. To the image I am asking.
14.
14. Why? Because distance image is equals to the object image, no? If distance image is how much? Object distance is how much? 7 meters. Then image distance will be also 7 meters. 7 plus 7? 14. But what the question is? Not these persons. If A observes into the mirror, from him 3%.
2 plus 9
9.
ma'am. 9
9
ma'am.
is the correct answer. Let me explain. So that means he is person A. 2 meters. From image to object of A is image to object of A is how much distance?
4 meters.
4. But he is not asking his image. He is seeing
B's image.
B is asking this image. That means again from here to here how much will be there?
5.
5. So from here you count.
5 plus 7. 9.
So 9 is the answer. Next one more. A ray of light parallel to the floor. This is the floor. Remember, a ray of light parallel to the means what? Which is going along with the floor. So in this way, this is the ray of light. That means incidence. Okay, is incident at a plane mirror which is inclined at an angle 40 degrees. That means mirror is inclined at an angle 40 degrees.
Mirror is always slight.
Mirror is slight, incident ray is straight. Okay. Now they are asking what is angle of reflection and what is angle of incidence. Can you find?
Reflection is also straight line, ma'am.
If this is angle of incidence, they both are perpendicular to each other. No, they form 90 degrees. That means like this will be angle of reflection, and this will be normal. Can you say what is angle of incidence? What is angle of reflection?
Yes, ma'am. If this part is angle of incidence, that is
This is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. I know that. I am asking how much degrees.
45.
No. How can you say 45? 45?
90 minus 8 half, ma'am.
No. Always everything will be 45, 45 only. I am asking what will be this angle.
20, ma'am.
How 40?
40 minus
How 40?
40
Do
divided
you know the rule of adjacent angles or alternative angles?
adjacent angles are always same.
Alternate angles are also same. This is 40. So this is also alternate angle of not 40.
Yes,
So this one will be how much?
40.
40. If this angle of divergence is 40, then what will be angle of incidence?
40.
How 40?
No. 60.
See like this slope.
50.
That means this is
Right
90,
angle.
no? This is 90.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
90 you have got 40. So what will be remaining?
50.
This is 50. This is
50.
this one will be
40.
got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Did you understand here?
Yes, ma'am.
Same if they give down what happens? This is a mirror. Distance angle will be like this. Reflected will be like this. Clear? This will be the normal and this will be the 40. Clear? The same way you have two more sums also. This is 40, no?
Yes.
If it is 25,
There is also 25.
this will be
25.
This will be
20 minus 20.
90 minus 25.
90 minus
Fast. Small kids. Two job is very serious.
7.
7 huh? 7
Sorry.
90 minus 25.
9.
65.
65. I thought 19, ma'am.
65. Got it? So angle of incidence is 65. Angle of reflection is also
65. Yeah, it is 25.
Clear? The image formed due to plane mirrors are level. Then the angle between two plane mirrors is
What is the question, ma'am?
the images formed are level. Then the angle between two plane mirrors is how much degrees? Go for the formula.
19.
For 90 only 3, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We have formula n is equals to 360 by theta minus 1. Number of meters how much?
9.
11 is equals to 360
By
theta
theta.
minus 1. 11 plus 1 how much?
12.
12 is equals to 360 by
Theta.
theta is equals to 360 by 12. How much will you get?
12 by 3 means
12 ones are
12
3,
3
so theta is equals to
30.
degrees. Clear? Still more sums you have? object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of a plane mirror. If the mirror moves towards the object at a distance of 20 centimeters, then find the displacement. Not understood? Have it very fast, no? In front of a mirror, the object is at a distance of 20 centimeters. Here the object is there. Distance is 20 centimeters. If the mirror moves towards the object by distance of 20 centimeters. The image is also moved to how much? 20. Then find the displacement of the image.
0.
No. Image will be what? Here always it will be straight on, you know. Distance or displacement will be 20 only. It has moved here. Sorry. This question is mistake. So if this is 40. If it has moved
20
meters, then what will be the distance?
20.
40. If mirror is here, distance between here and here is
20.
image object. How much?
40.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Question is wrong.
One more question. A pencil of length 5 centimeters is kept vertically at a distance of 10 centimeters from a plane mirror. 5 centimeters length of pencil, the distance of 10 meters, 10 centimeters kept in the front of plane mirror. Then the pencil is replaced by another pencil whose length is twice. Before how much we have to?
40.
Pencil I am asking. Pencil is of 5 centimeters length and distance is of 10 centimeters. Okay. Now I have to twice the pencil height. One more pencil.
10 centimeters.
10 centimeters. And distance is same. What will be the distance of the image of this new pencil from the mirror?
10 only.
10 only. It will not change. They have just to confuse video. Clear? It will be same. A ball is cut into two halves. On the outer surface of one half of the ball, a shiny aluminium foil is pasted.
For one side and
They have cut into two halves. Means like this they have cut. Outer surface they have painted with the silver coating. Which type of mirror it is?
concave.
Concave mirror. In concave mirrors, images will be how?
Inside.
That means what? Virtual, inverted,
Virtual. No, real image.
real image. Yes. Then
For
the image. So the candle is now lying in front of this shiny surface. The image of the candle formed by the shiny surface is
Real image. Real and smaller.
if it is what I have given. A shiny aluminium foil is pasted. Aluminium foil, you know, it also reflects. It is pasted here. Means this act as a mirror. So it is what? Convex. Okay. This is not a mirror. They have cut the
And
ball
after
into
doing
half.
silver coating, how it reflects, ma'am?
This is a ball. Water has it. The ball will not be shiny. To make it shine, they have kept aluminium foil here. That means which mirror it is?
Convex.
Convex mirrors. In convex mirrors, images will be
Virtual.
virtual and
Inverted.
smaller in size. Okay. Next.